Year, China. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is ANOTO in China, and in China we are celebrating a happy New Year right here, and we are doing fireworks, and the Chinese are here. Ni hao ma? 新年快乐. Yeah, so they are celebrating a happy New Year, and they are doing the fireworks just on the road right about here, and it's amazing, man. Their fireworks are very super big. They are planned they are big ones, very big and enormous ones, and they have quite an audience, and so many people are still coming on board. Right about now it's almost 9:44, so they are going to light another one. It's a big one. Yeah, they are lighting the big one. So let's show you how they light it. So this is it. This is the big box. So they light it there, and you go back. You go back so that you are not affected by the rays of light. So in 2 seconds, that way. Look at that. What? That one ended so fast. It ended really fast. So this is how they celebrate their New Year. Chinese calendar is very different from the calendar the other parts of the world are using. Of course, I know Ethiopian calendar is also different, but here this is how they do it. On the street, they just pop the fireworks and they roll like that. That's how they do it. And we can hear so many around this place. But for this, at least you get some show of the fireworks. But we are going to the town. That's where the main action is going. So this is just a snippet of it. So let me go to town and we light another one. This is ANOTO in China. Happy New Year in China. We say Xinyan Kuaila. Happy New Year 2024. And this is the year of the dragon. So let's head to town and we see what's happening there.
So alafu nikitaka isha nafanya aje?
Una press
hapa tena.
How Chinese celebrate their New Year in style.
Yes.
That
is how they celebrate the New Year.
Happy New Year in China. It's Xinyan Kuaila.
Kuaila.
Xinyan Kuaila. Happy New Year in China.
Yes.
You can see the ones held by the hand.
Yeah. These are the small ones.
Oh,
there's a big box coming.
The other guy is setting up the other.
Yes. That guy is taking a whole box.
Opening.
Something is about to go down.
Yeah. Let's see how this
Look
one
at that.
performs.
Yeah. We just lit it. It's a full box. And yeah, we gotta move backwards. The magic starts. Wow.
This is magic. Happy New Year in China.
Happy New Year.
That's how they do it.
ANOTO in China.
ANOTO in China. So let's go to the next and the next.
Yes.
So today we're just documenting how they do it.
Yes.
For New Year.
Yeah.
So let's go to the next.
Yeah.
Small cracker.
Kuonyesha all these people.
So this is how the Chinese celebrate the New Year.
Yeah.
All of it are fireworks. This is all the
This is outside an estate.
Yeah, and all of these are fireworks. So
Yeah,
you can imagine how much they save for all of these. So many boxes, big boxes. The big rocket fireworks. Yeah. It's a mess here. And the boxes they burn to generate bonfires over there.
Yeah.
Because it's winter and they need to keep warm.
Yeah.
And the people, children, fathers, mothers are here.
Yeah.
So it's time for the family and they are celebrating the meal. Serious business. From that end, that end is taking photos for the new year.
Yeah.
coming to those end.
Yes.
It's a very serious
All
occasion
the
here.
way, all the way, as you guys can see.
This is my first time I'm witnessing the Chinese New Year.
New Year.
First time. And I'm glad we can be able to document all the way.
Yes.
So we are on the road. It's night.
Yes.
It's around 9:40. 9 something.
Yeah,
10.
Yeah, it's 10.
It's 10.
10.
So we are moving as we document
Yeah.
the nightlife
Yes.
during the Chinese New Year.
New Year.
So this is how you experience.
Yes.
So follow us for more.
Follow
What?
us.
That guy was
Yeah.
Yeah,
We went all the way to
like
the
a
road.
missile. So let's
Yeah.
proceed.
Let's
Let's
proceed.
leave this side. We go to the
Yes.
next
Yes.
and see what's happening. Follow us.
Follow us on
Yeah.
ANOTO
ANOTO in China.
China.
This is ANOTO
in China. ANOTO, what are you riding?
I'm riding an e-bike.
An e-bike.
An e-bike is basically an electric bike.
Wow.
Yeah, e-bike. Where is that one happening?
Behind the building.
Oh.
Yeah.
Move ahead
Yeah.
so that we can see.
Yes. Let's keep going.
Yeah. So this is an e-bike. You charge it and you go.
You charge it and you go.
Yeah, this one can go for 60 kilometers.
60 kilometers.
Yeah.
And how long do you have to charge it?
I normally charge it overnight.
Sorry?
Overnight.
Overnight.
Yeah, nearly 6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah, because that time I'm sleeping.
Oh, wow.
So when I wake up,
Ah.
I come and unplug it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I can do 60 kilometers.
Wow, that is great. 60
Yeah.
kilometers.
How about your bike?
My bike goes around 80 kilometers. I charge it for 8 hours.
I hate it, man, if I have
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah, it's when I change the battery.
Oh,
Yeah.
this one you can also change?
Yeah, you can change the battery.
Can I add more batteries on this one?
You can, but you have to put new ones at first.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because it's a bit slow. Hey, look at that colorful.
Yeah, this is a very colorful building.
Hey, this one looks like this building.
Mm.
You know the GTC building in Westlands,
Uh-huh.
they look like this.
They look like
The
this.
7 building opposite Chiromo Mocha.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they look like this. Very
Wow.
colorful.
You see Shini and Kuala.
Oh, Shini and Koila.
Yeah.
It's like
Whatever
their
it's written, yeah.
KICC, how
Yeah.
they put it.
Yes.
Yeah. So Shini and Koila.
Mm.
Happy
Happy
New
New
Year.
Year.
And the idea of the fish.
Yeah.
The fish down there.
Oh, the fish. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Hai Di Lao.
Heidi Lao.
Hai Di Lao Huobo. It's the most famous Chinese hot pot. Yeah, restaurant.
So there's a restaurant around
Down there. Yeah,
Down
that-
there.
That one is the most famous one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Hai Di Lao.
this is the nightlife in China.
Nightlife in
and
China.
It couples up as the New Year in China.
Yes.
So if you have never experienced the New Year in China, experience it through ANOTO in China
Yeah, guys, subscribe.
and follow for more content.
Yes.
Yeah, we are growing. We are almost being monetized. So
Yes.
let's keep watching so that we garner the watch hours. Hey. I do see ladies are just walking in the night. It's
Yeah.
just them.
Yeah.
Daughter and mom.
Daughter and mom.
Can
yeah.
you do this in your country? Comment
Tell
below.
us,
Can
yeah,
you walk
on
in the
the
night with
comment
your
section.
mom
Yeah.
in the streets?
Is it possible to walk outside and ride these e-bikes?
Yeah, like this lady is riding on
This
bike
lady.
at night.
At night.
And our Kenyan ladies, they want to be sent fair.
Yeah, yeah.
And this one, they come with their bike.
Yeah.
So who is fair?
Who is fair?
Those ones who are sent fair?
Yeah.
Or this one?
Yeah.
The Chinese are not asleep, man.
They are not. They don't sleep.
They're out and about. It's their new year.
It's their new year.
So ladies and gentlemen, I'm dropping my friend in this club. It's called Wow. But now we are going out to see the fireworks. So this is me leaving the club. Not so many people today, as you can see. Just a few people drinking and having a good time. But for me, I'm interested in the fireworks. And here's the DJ. Ni hao. Ni hao. Xin Yan Kuai La. Okay, xie xie. Okay. 新年快乐，新年
新年快乐！
新年快乐，
新年快乐！
新年快乐，新年快乐，新年快乐. That means Happy New Year. All right. So that's it. So I'm leaving this club. It's called Wow. They have quite some posters, very very good posters. So this is me leaving the club, and right now what I'm interested is the fireworks. So this is the club. It's called Wow, and this time we are going down to search for the fireworks experience here in China. Happy New Year in China, fireworks experience right here in China. I hope you guys will love it and will have a good time to document of my life in China. This is ANOTO in China. Chakashi ANOTO Zai Zhongguo. It's a Happy New Year, so not so many people around this place. So in the next few minutes, we just walking. No, I'm riding my bike randomly to spot. Ni hao, Xinyan Kuai Xinyan Kuai Happy New Year. Xinyan Kuai Xinyan hello. Xinyan Kuai Hey mama. Hey 漂亮. Yeah, 新年快乐, yang hao, yang hao. Okay, so that's the type of love we get here in China. Random love. What brand of car is this? Evos Ford. A good one. Looks like the Maserati. So, where are the fireworks here in China? Let's see. I can hear the sound. So, we are going to search for fireworks right about now, and I hope we'll be able to experience some. So which way should I go? Should I go this way or this way? I think I should go this way. There's some action this way. So, or maybe I go back and then I go that way. So follow me for more fireworks experience in China. I have to take my bike and we pass through the streets and we see if we'll be able to experience some fireworks. So watch till the end. My first time experiencing the New Year in China. It happens in February. So it says Xin Nian Kuai La. Happy New Year. So that's my bike. Ni hao ma. 你好吗？
你好，
新年快乐！
新年快乐！
新年快乐！样好，样好，新年快乐！
好，龙年快乐！
呀，漂亮。OK，
谢谢。
OK. So that 新年快乐 means happy New Year. 再见，拜拜。All right. So right about now, I'll be on the road. We are searching for fireworks. So follow me up to the next place where we'll see the fireworks. All right. So welcome back. This is ANOTO in China, documenting live the Chinese New Year experience. This is the year of the dragon, and this is what's happening on the streets. More and more fireworks being shot in the air, as you can see over there. More fireworks on the Happy New Year. Even from afar, I can see lots and lots of fireworks being displayed. And right about here, I think there is some fireworks being sold here. So this is where the fireworks are being sold. This is the shop where they sell the fireworks. So you can see right now people are purchasing the fireworks. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. That one you hold and it shoots. You hold and it shoots. You hold and it shoots. Very beautiful. That is very beautiful. Look at that. Maybe observe from here. It's seems to be over, and I can. So this is the fireworks shop. It's just a container, but they have converted it to a fireworks shop. So this is it. Different types of fireworks being displayed here. I did a documentary about Fireworks Kenya in my previous video, so go check out Fireworks Kenya. If you're in Kenya and you need fireworks, Fireworks Kenya is the best place to be. So, hello, ni hao ma, Xinyan Kuai La. Happy New Year 2024. Happy New Year, nice to meet you. Hangong Xin Ren Xinin. Yeah, you know English?
No.
Oh, no.
中国话你可以。
中国，哦，中国听不懂，a little。
哎，你还可以。
还可以。Yeah, okay. So，这个是 fireworks，都是战，这个是都是战神吗？
旋转头了是那种。
So these are the fireworks, and they are selling more fireworks. So we have these types. This one's small fireworks. We have the big ones. That is 300 yuan. We have these types. We have different types of fireworks being sold here. You see that one is the big one. That one. It's called. This company is called Nuishi Fireworks. So the fireworks is being sold. You can see right now the fireworks is a big business right here. People are buying fireworks. People are displaying fireworks on the streets, and it's very amazing. So this is a good business idea for somebody who wants to establish such a business in their country. During the night of the fireworks, go to the estate and find a permit and do this business. You'll sell more and more fireworks. You can see the consumers are right here and the supplier is right here. So they're experiencing it live. From the small ones to the big ones. This is amazing. And this is ANOTO in China. Look at that. So this is really good. It feels good to experience the Chinese New Year. Happy New Year from me here in China. Ni hao ma, Xinyan Kuai La. Happy New Year. So there's still more happening there, but now that we have seen this shop with different types, they have the fireworks. What's this extinguisher in case of fire? So they have several, from these small one crackers, this ones, to these ones, to these ones, to these ones, to big ones, even like this and like that. And also you can see like this one, very tall, so that you hold and it shoots in the air. See more people coming in to buy the fireworks right here in China. That's what's happening. And the young one also is here to experience the fireworks and is armed with his fireworks. Xinyan Kuai La. Xinyan Kuai La. Happy New Year 2024. Hello. Oh, Mei Wenti. Xinyan Kuai La. Happy New Year. Hangong.
过年好，兄啊！
这个你叫什么名字？儿子？王子毅。
对。
哦，王子毅，新年快乐！Happy New Year！ Light one。我要
放一个是吧？
我要一个。我要这个。So I'm going to light one right now. Oh, yeah. So you say not here. Oh, here. Down. Here. So we light here. We light like that, and I do this thing. So this is how I'm doing the fireworks here. So he's lighting it up for me. This is how I'm doing the fireworks here in China. So I'm glad to... Mayo. So let's see how it is. And we have to be keen. Mayo. Oh, this one has refused. So let's see if it will fix it. So I want to try one, and I just borrowed, and they gave me. They bought, I borrow, and I shoot. So it's lighting it up. It's lighting it up for me. Oh, we go. Oh, there. Oh, Oda. Oh, okay. Oh, that's refused. Chaka. Yeah, and I left my bike on. Here, okay. So he's helping me to light. Yeah, that way. So this is it. Happy New Year from China. Look at that. Very, very beautiful. Takashi Piolian. Yes. Beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. So I'm saying this is very, very beautiful. The Chinese New Year is China. Celebrating China. And at this time we are celebrating early enough. Very soon we will be monetized courtesy of you guys. And thanks for the love, thanks for the support. But first let's get to 1,000 subscribers so that we are complete package. When you are monetized for Zid. So this is it. As you can see, the young one also is trying his luck out on the fireworks, and I'm also enjoying the fireworks. I've been given this one, so I'm really enjoying. This is an amazing experience. I wanted to buy one, but I was given this one anyway, so I'm enjoying the fireworks show. So you can see this amazing family. The son also is shooting like this, shooting fireworks here in China. It's very, very beautiful. Happy New Year in China. I see it's pointing the dad. Look at that. Look at that also. The shoot comes across the street. Look at that. Over there, shooting fireworks. And this one is almost. And it is almost over. And this one is over. And also, 你好吗？我是ANOTO，我来自肯亚，我爱你中国，新年快乐，Happy New Year 2024，新年快乐，韩国人新年样好。
Take a photo.
Yeah， 没问题。
With me.
Yeah， 没问题。照片。新年快乐！
录下。
还有录下，我录着了呀。
录着了。
还有录。
新年快乐！OK， 1、2、3，新年快乐！我爱你中国。
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, China.
My friend, my
Yeah.
friend.
ANOTO. 这个是 ANOTO。ANOTO。
安德都是什么
ANOTO。
I
名
don't
字。
know.
名字？
安
德多名字
ANOTO。哎。
王俊峰。
王俊峰。
哦。
Oh, okay, okay. 我要照片。Okay, let me hold this for me. 这个
微信可以吗？
so let's take a photo then we proceed.
哦。